explaining how Builder.io works. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Builder.io is a visual web building platform that combines the simplicity of drag and drop editing with the power of a full headless CMS. Many people use it for e-commerce sites, marketing pages, and custom web projects, but not everyone understands how the system actually works behind the scenes. So today, I'm breaking it down in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Builder.io works as an all-in-one visual development platform. Its main purpose is to let marketers, designers, and developers create and manage web pages without needing to write code, while still giving developers full control when needed. Everything is handled through the Builder.io app or dashboard, making it easy for both technical and non-technical users to collaborate on projects. The core feature of Builder.io is its drag-and-drop visual editor. You can create pages by placing blocks such as text, images, buttons, banners, forms, and product grids. Changes are updated instantly, which makes it ideal for building landing pages, promotional content, or dynamic website sections without relying on a developer for every update. For developers, Builder.io allows custom component integration. Components built in frameworks like React, Vue, Next.js, or Angular can be imported and made available inside the visual editor. This allows non-technical team members to work with complex elements safely, while maintaining consistency across the website. Builder.io also functions as a headless CMS. Content created in the platform is delivered through APIs, allowing it to be rendered on any front-end framework. This makes it highly flexible for websites that need speed, scalability, and customization. Another key feature is e-commerce integration. Builder.io connects with platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, enabling dynamic product listings, collections, and pricing blocks that update automatically. This makes it perfect for marketing teams who need to update store layouts frequently without technical help. Builder.io also includes optimization tools, such as A/B testing, targeting, and personalization. You can experiment with different page variations, show content based on user behavior, and track engagement metrics to improve conversion rates. Overall, Builder.io works as a flexible, collaborative, and powerful platform for building modern websites. It's suitable for marketers who want visual control, developers who need code-level access, and businesses looking to streamline content creation and management without sacrificing performance.